are going to love the 2019 Ford Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preference of its drivers. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, floor mats, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, front wheel drive, security system, child safety locks, power door locks, CD player, MP3 player, passenger airbag. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.